If you're looking for a smart screen for your car, in today's video we're gonna test this 7-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the Podofo A3135 model, and today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, we're gonna see the features, and we're gonna see how good it is. Coming up next. Okay, this is what it comes inside of this. This is car multimedia player. Okay, this one is for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, like a Mirrorcast, media player, and FM transmitter. So this is the screen. That's nice. It has the power button on the top. On this side, nothing. And on this side, this is the auxiliary connection. Okay, for the audio, micro SD, another auxiliary connection in, and the power connection, USB-C connection. And on the bottom, probably this is for the speaker. What else? And that's it. On the back, probably this is a speaker too. Okay, it comes with the cigarette lighter cable with the USB-C connection, the audio cable. Okay, the mount, suction cup mount, has another mount, but this one is with a double-sided tape. It has two extra. The manual is a 7-inch screen, this one player, and this is to mount it on each mount, the suction cup mount or this mount, okay, for the back of the screen. Okay, the holes on the bottom is to put this clip for the mounts, okay, the adapter. So we'll clip on this button and on the top, okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay guys, we're ready to test the screen. This is the 7-inch screen. You can see it, it looks very nice. So let's connect it. I have the USB-C connected to the side in here. So now let's plug it in with the cigarette lighter connection. See? Let's see. Nice. A McLaren. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is the screen. So let's start to see the features first of the screen. Here is the to turn it on and off. This is for the brightness of the screen. That's all the brightness. You can lower it all up. Okay, this one is to connect your device, your phone. Okay, let's go back here, and this is for the volume. You can move it up and down. Let's give it 75%. Okay, and this is for the settings. Okay, let's start with the settings. The first one is a screensaver. Let's see. Hard to see, I have a reflection. Okay, the screensaver is off 1 minute or 5 minutes. So we're gonna leave it off. And then the next one is the wallpaper. The wallpaper, you can change it here. Has 3 different ones. Let's leave it in the black. Okay, just put cancel. Voice control. The voice control is turned on and off. Okay, we're gonna leave it off for now. We don't want that right now. Left rover or right rover, the driving position. Let's see how's that. Okay, we'll leave it in the left. Language, here you can select multiple language, and then reset factory settings right there. You can confirm or cancel for now. Firmware, that's all the settings, I mean the firmware version of this screen. Okay, that's all the settings. Okay, now to connect the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto or the AirPlay media player, you have to connect the Bluetooth to this one. Okay, so let's see how to connect that. So we go to the middle button, this one. So let's go to Apple CarPlay, confirm Apple CarPlay, and then the number is T86 for the Bluetooth. So it's here, T86, pair, allow, and it's connected. It says use CarPlay. Use CarPlay. And voila, it's connected. Man, it's amazing. So let's see if it's a little bit of delay. That's a little bit, but it works good. You have everything here, your music. I'm not gonna put it because I don't wanna get a copyright. Okay, you can go to the main button in here. It has everything, settings, everything is in here. And you can go back in the smart screen. That's the name of this one, smart screen. Okay, now let's see if we can connect the mirror of the phone, the AirPlay. So in here, I have to go to the settings of the general of my iPhone and go to CarPlay. And then this one is the, which one? Smart screen. Smart screen, and then turn it off. Okay, so it's off. Okay, now let's connect the AirPlay. It has CarLink on the Wi-Fi and the password is there. Okay, I don't know how you can see it. That's the thing. So on the Wi-Fi on your phone is here, CarLink. Let's connect it and it's loading. You connect to the Wi-Fi CarLink, but it's loading. Okay, so you have to go to the main screen and then you have to open this screen and then click these two screens. And then you will see the smart screen. Bam! Let's see if it works. Yeah! Okay, now we found out. Let's go back to the main. So right there is my phone. So let's see if we can see YouTube. I don't know, maybe it doesn't let you. Let's see a video. Man, let's see it. I hope we don't get a copyright. Even if we do it like this. It's loading or no? Yeah. The only thing you have to move the phone like this. That's amazing. I love it. You can see the phone and you can see YouTube. That's amazing. Let's try if we can see Netflix. If not, let's see, like a stream devices. We can see it there. Let's put like this one. Let's see, let's put a little bit. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't let you. Okay. On Netflix it doesn't let you. Okay, so now you know it works for YouTube, for social media apps. It doesn't work for streaming apps, but for the rest it works. Okay, so that's the AirPlay, and the Android Cast is for Android phones. Okay, I don't have an Android phones. The media, this one is for files. You have to put a micro SD card with files and you can play. You have videos or music, you can play that. Okay, and then the next one is audio output. Okay, this one you can use Bluetooth. When the speaker is the sound of the screen. Okay, and then the Bluetooth, you can use the Bluetooth of your phone or your stereo, your car stereo. Okay, FM, you can put on a station here, anything that you want, and you can put the FM on your stereo and you can hear the screen on your stereo. And the auxiliary connection, this is the cable you can put on here, on this plug with the cables, provided cables. I'm gonna put the screen what cables I'm talking about. You can connect it here, and some stereos they have this that connection. My stereo doesn't have that, but some of them they do. So that's everything. It's pretty simple. You can turn it on and off here, brightness, and here you can connect whatever you want. Okay, for now. And you can leave it on Apple CarPlay. Okay, now let's see how long it takes for this one to connect when you turn on the car every time you go in your car. Okay, so what are we going to do? I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, let's like imagine that I just start my car. And right there is connected to the Apple CarPlay. So that's the time, how long it took. I'm gonna put it over there so you can see it, how long it takes. So you, after you do it the first time, you don't have to do it again, all over again. No, after this, you have all the settings. Every time you will turn on your car, it will connect automatically to your phone. Okay, so the screen is amazing. I like it. It has cool features and it's very simple. Just Apple CarPlay, mirror. You can mirror your phone, media player for files that you have on the micro SD card, or you can change the way you hear the screen. You can hear it on the screen. You can hear it with the Bluetooth, FM, on your stereo or auxiliary connection. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Settings are very simple over here. Okay, so that's everything about the screen. It's pretty simple to use, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay, if you found this helpful, please like the video. The link for the product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. But subscribe for more videos like this one. Support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. Share it with your friends too. But let me know your opinion on the comments. I wanna know. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.